So, hello everyone, welcome to Pediatrics by Dr. Anand. Today is a beautiful day. We are in a beautiful city known as Hyderabad and we have some amazing students. Can we say a good hello everyone? So, we have this beautiful, amazing students and you see how are they going to answer? They don't understand Hindi, so this class will be in English. Okay, so it's coming to starting with you. So we have this rule number one by one, you will open your mouth, no group talking, one by one. Sir, what is extremely low birth weight?
1,000.
Less than?
1,000.
Less than 1000 grams or less than 1 kg. Very good. Which is the most common congenital heart disease in infant of diabetic mother? VSD. That's right. And the most specific is TGA. Very good. What is TGA, sir? Transposition of great arteries. What is the X-ray of TGA, sir? No, X-ray of TGA is egg on string appearance. Himalayan P wave, where do you see?
ECG.
Yeah, ECG finding of Epstein anomaly. If the mother has taken thalidomide during pregnancy, the baby can have phocomelia. Very good. If the mother has taken erythromycin during pregnancy, CHPS, the baby can have CHPS. What is the X-ray finding of CHPS? You see a double bubble sign or single bubble? Single bubble sign. Double bubble sign, where do you see? Duodenal atresia. Triple bubble sign? Jejunal atresia. Very good. In severe hypothermia, how much should be the axillary temperature? Less than 32 degrees Celsius. Very good. If a baby is having heart rate less than 100, what will you do? Yeah, only bag and mask ventilation. What is the ratio of chest compression and bag and mask ventilation? No, in a newborn baby.
3:2.
Yeah, 3:1. The ratio of chest compression and bag and mask in newborn is 3:1. And in children it is 15:2. Very good. What is the absolute contraindication of bag and mask ventilation? Congenital diaphragmatic hernia. That's right. Name some left to right shunts. ASD, VSD, PDA. Patent ductus arteriosus is between what and what? Pulmonary artery ascending or descending? Pulmonary artery and descending aorta. Very good. Okay, where do you see figure of 8 appearance? Figure of 8 appearance. Supracardiac TAVC. Figure of 3 appearance? Coarctation of aorta. What is the name of the surgery for TGA? Arterial switch, or also known as Jettini repair. What is the name of the surgery for GERD? Nissen fundoplication. What's the name of the surgery for pyloric stenosis? Ramsden chylomyotomy. Norwood procedure is done in which condition? Norwood? Yeah, procedure. So hypoplastic left heart syndrome, very important. In chronic malnutrition, which parameter is affected? Height or age. And in acute malnutrition? Weight for height. Very good, that's right. Okay, what is the name of the formula to differentiate symmetrical IUGR from asymmetrical IUGR? Ponderal index. Ponderal index. Very good. Which type of neural tube defect has the worst prognosis? Craniorectus. And the one having best prognosis? Spina bifida. Which is the most commonest location of spina bifida? Lumbosacral region. Which one is the acute phase reactant in neonatal sepsis? CRP is the acute phase reactant. Okay, where do you see what you call milkmaid grip and a darting tongue? Sydenham's chorea. Sydenham's chorea is an early manifestation or late manifestation of acute rheumatic fever? Late manifestation. What is the name of the criteria for acute rheumatic fever? Jones criteria. Very good. Where have you read Sarnet and Sarnet staging is used in which condition? HIE. What is HIE? Hypoxic ischemic encephalopathy. What is the expected SpO2 of a newborn at first minute of life? 60 to 65%. Second minute of life, 65 to 70%. Each 100 ml of breast milk contains how many kilocalories? 65. And how many gram of proteins? 1.1. And how many gram of